right, here's a Parrot toy for our buddy over there, and he absolutely loves these. This is probably the one toy that lasts probably the longest, and he takes them all the way until they get down to the very end. He absolutely loves this, and I mean, just entertainment hours, man. So this guy's actually giving the review, not me. Pretty fun, bingo? All right, you're gonna let me hang this up, right? You're going for it. You're going for it. And there it is. Long, lots of hours of play, and somebody is just gonna be having so much fun.